I'm really blessed. Alhamdulillah. Let's see what's inside the bag. Are we ready? Okay. It's so premium. I got the silver one over the space gray because it's really cool to me. You can see here, it's shiny, feels so premium, absolutely brilliant. The design, oh my, Alhamdulillah. It feels really great. Be optimistic. Yes, it's possible to have something if you want something from the heart, and you should have a plan as well. According to Islam, so we should always, by any means, stay away from any kind of interest. That's why I didn't go for any interest, any installments. So how did I do it? I'll tell you in detail so that you can get your one very soon. I started my design career in 2017 using HP Core i7, 8GB RAM. It was quite good at the beginning because I wasn't working that hard. It helped me a lot. But now I have upgraded myself to Apple MacBook Pro M2 Pro, the latest one with 16GB RAM, which is absolutely brilliant in graphic design. And of course it is great, one of the best options for video editors. Ooh. It's cool and pretty. I love the interface and the keyboard. Wow, so comfortable, easy to reach everywhere. I want to take my skills to the next level, save my time at the same time. And I was looking for which one should I go for. Eventually, I've come across this is the best one.